They're usually cute, cozy, and tucked away in the garden, but this Halloween, the gnomes are coming out to play. We're giving the traditional gnome a spooky makeover. Today, we're sharing the best Halloween gnome decor ideas that are surprisingly easy to create. Get ready to transform cute into creepy with our Easy Scary Gnomes Guide. We'll explore creative Halloween gnome transformations, outdoor and porch staging, and unique finishing touches. Whether you want just a hint of spooky or a full-on creepy vibe, we've got ideas to bring your gnomes to life this season. Let's begin with the fun part, transforming gnomes into Halloween-ready characters. Small changes in color, details, and accessories can instantly shift them from playful to spooky. For those who love a bit more creep factor, experiment with darker shades, eerie textures, and haunting facial details. It's a simple way to make them look mysterious without losing their charm. Would you go for a fun, lighthearted spooky gnome or a truly terrifying one? Let me know your pick in the comments below. Once your gnomes are styled, the next step is staging. It's all about how you arrange them and the kind of story you want them to tell. Think about contrasts. A single gnome standing apart can feel eerie, while a cluster of them together creates a dramatic, attention-grabbing display. Placement is key in setting the mood. By playing with angles, spacing, and surrounding accents, you can make your gnomes feel like they belong to a bigger world, filled with mystery and character. If these gnome-inspired Halloween decorations brought a smile to your face, be sure to like this video and share it with friends who love whimsical, spooky vibes. The final step to making your Halloween gnomes stand out is in the details. Small touches can completely change the mood and bring your display together. Even the smallest elements, like an unexpected accessory, a shift in color, or a unique texture, can transform a gnome from ordinary to unforgettable. These finishing touches give your gnome display personality, turning it into something that feels complete and ready for Halloween. For more creative and magical Halloween decorating ideas, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Whether they're guarding your porch or haunting your garden, Halloween gnomes bring playful spookiness to any setting. We hope these ideas inspired you to try something new this season. Here's to a Halloween filled with imagination and creativity. Until next time, keep crafting your own kind of spooky magic.